is up, guys? This just passed right by me. Today we're playing lab monkeys with these goofy monkeys. No! 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 Today we're playing lab monkey with these goofy monkeys. Slide. Slide. Let's go. What are you doing? Why is your name Idiot?
Because I am.
Bro, where's the other? Bro! Clear!
I'm back! Oh!
Give me the other one! Give me the other one! Where's the other one?
Come on!
Clear!
You gotta feel him.
Clear!
Alright, someone has to go over here, then we must tase him.
Clear!
I'm too famous. What the is that a raccoon? Go. Did you say a raccoon? That is not a raccoon.
What?
Can you teach me how to play this game? I mean, this.
Yeah, this
That's
is
not big. That's
Plague doctor,
Can we teach me how to play?
please. We do not have the plague.
that's
Bro,
a
stop.
ugly monster.
Stop running in and out.
That's how he gets That's how he gets tracked to us, and then we're stuck.
Where'd he go?
Alright.
Is he going up or is he going over here?
Oh, don't tell me we have to go to the penguin guy.
I just booked it.
Why so?
I never saw him coming. Get one stretch.
How are you looking goblin?
Going back.
Where is he? How big is his race?
No.
Bro, why are you guys going up there? Should I go up there? Oh, because it's that little ugly monster.
Why is he so fast?
It's a monster, dude.
Are y'all ready?
He's coming, Jit. Better run. Better run. He's coming, Jit. He's coming, Jit.
Bro, this thing is too fast.
I just juked that thing. That thing's so fast. That thing got his ankles taken off. His ankles are amputated right now. He ain't got no ankles anymore.
What is it like?
What's up?
Yo, how does that thing just
You need something?
What is it?
I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
Bro, what happens up there? Tell me all the tea. What is it?
Where are you,
White. I can hear it sounds.
little boy? What are you running from?
Bro, is this
Bro, there's nothing.
Let me in.
What are you running from?
He's over there. He's over there. He's over there.
Oh my gosh.
Ah shit. Ah shit. Ah shit.
No! No! Oh my gosh. My hand. My hand. My hand.
Tell me all the tea.
My
What happens
hand.
up there?
Get me out of here.
Bro, what happened? What's wrong with my hand? No, I can't pause the game. No. My hand just got disconnected. My hand is amputated. I'm gonna play with one hand. You play with one hand.
Is he gone?
I'm still good at with one hand. I don't see him anywhere.
Ow, Alora! Where is it? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let's
Oh my
get
god!
him
Oh my
here.
god!
Oh, so. I got that. No, it's
It's possible.
Where I came from.
I'm a man. I'm a man. Nope.
Oh, this is where I came from.
Frick this.
Never saw that.
Help!
Move your head.
Oh my god.
Oh, hell no.
Cooked.
Bro, what are you trying to do? Holy frick!
Behind you! Behind you!
Oh my god! Holy crap!
Where is it?
Where is it? No. That's terrifying. Oh.
Ja, it's scary! This
I'm done, bro.
Okay,
How
I'm
do I
done.
do this with clear? No one. It's gone.
Bro, why do I have to do this?
Oh, it's really hard to read. Find the power. Turn on the power escape. Don't get caught. ED year 1950. That's it for the video. See you guys later. I have to turn that on. Oh my gosh. Bye.